Chapter 3 Environment. Learning objectives. What dirt is our environment? Preventing pollution. Both living and non-living things make up our environment. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the place we live in are a part of our environment. We should keep our environment clean, but many a times we make it dirty and pollute our surroundings. Everything around us forms our environment. What dirt is our environment? Causing damage to our environment or making it dirty is called pollution. Our actions are somewhat responsible for it. There are many types of pollutions. Air pollution. It is caused by smoke released by vehicles, smoke and dust emitted from factories, burning of garbage and bursting of firecrackers. Fact file. Pollutants that are released into the air as opposed to land and water pollutants are the most harmful. Land pollution. It is caused by felling of trees, overuse of pesticides, throwing cans, plastic and polythene bags in open places. Water pollution. It is caused by throwing waste into rivers and other water bodies, releasing factory wastes into rivers, washing clothes in rivers. Noise pollution. It is caused by loud machines in factories, honking of horns, loud music in vehicles and at public places, and bursting of firecrackers. Preventing pollution. Damage to our environment directly affects us. Therefore, we must prevent pollution and protect our environment. Here are some ways to save our environment from pollution. Stop using polythene bags. Grow more trees as they keep the air around us clean. Use CNG, compressed natural gas fitted vehicles. Avoid using horns and loudspeakers when not necessary. Stop bursting firecrackers. Dispose household wastes in a compost pit. A compost pit is a pit dug in the ground around the house to dump household waste. After some days, these wastes turn into manure which can be used for growing plants. Stop throwing garbage into rivers, lakes and ponds. Fact file. Compressed natural gas CNG is more environment friendly than other fuels. CNG powered vehicles also have lower maintenance costs when compared to other fuel powered vehicles. Follow the 3 R's. Reduce. Try and cut down the number of things you use. Reuse. If possible, use the product again. Recycle. Find ways to make new materials from the waste product. Points to remember. Our environment consists of both living and non-living things. There are 4 types of pollutions: air, water, land and noise. Polluted air is harmful for all. Trees keep the air around us clean. We must not throw waste in water bodies. We can help our environment by growing more trees, not wasting paper and saving water.